oranges and drink milk. Avoid junk food. Eat the food only which your mother has prepared, that is homemade food. And add some turmeric in your food or else in the milk which you drink. Then you can, if you are able to eat a little piece of ginger or garlic also, you can. So these are the tips to boost your immune system. So today already we have discussed about living things and non-living things, the natural things, man-made things and all. So what are natural things? The things which exist in nature are called as natural things. The examples are trees, animals and living beings. And the examples of man-made things, whatever things man has created are called as man-made things. And examples are, like yesterday I told you, toys or the chalk piece. See, this is the chalk piece and the book. Okay, these are all the examples of man-made things. Then what are living things and non-living things? The things which have life in them are called living things, and the things which do not have life in them are called as non-living things. So yesterday we have discussed about the characteristics of living things. So living things can move, they can grow, they can reproduce, they need food to survive, and they can sense the changes, and they are going to take the breath. So movement. So all the living things are going to move from one place to the other place. So why do they move from one place to other place? It may be in search of food. Okay, the ability to move from one place to the other place, we call it as locomotion. Then plants cannot move from one place to the other place. It is because they are fixed in the soil. But they can move some of their body parts like flowers and leaves. For example, yesterday we have seen the touch me not plant, isn't it? And next, coming to growth. All the living things can grow. For example, you take a small puppy. Okay, it will be very small. After a few months or 1 year, it will grow into a big dog. In the same way, you take human beings. A small baby grows into an adult. Before 5 years, you are very small. Now you are grown up, isn't it? So all the living things, they grow. Reproduction. The ability to produce a young one which looks same like their parent is called as reproduction. So all the living things reproduce. Few living things directly give birth to young ones like dog, cat, human beings and all. But few living things, they lay eggs like birds. Hen, you know, isn't it? You eat an egg every day. So hen lays eggs. From that egg, after few days, what happens? A new baby, young ones will come. And how about plants? Do they give directly birth to a small plant? No. So they are going to produce seeds, and through that seeds they are going to germinate and a new plant is going to come. Then need for food. All the living things need food. So why do we need food? We need food to survive. It gives us energy to do the work, and it also helps us to grow. And all the living things need food, isn't it? So few animals eat only plants, whereas few animals eat only animals. Like goat eats only grass, and tiger, it will eat only the flesh of other animals. Then how about plants? Plants are going to produce their own food. They can prepare their own food by using sunlight, air and water. Then sensing the changes. All the living things can sense the changes whatever is going around them. And for human beings, the sense organs are going to help us to see the changes. Then taking breath. This is the most important one, where living thing cannot survive without taking the breath. Inhale, that means breathing the air inside, and exhale, breathing the air outside, isn't it? So these are the characteristics of living things where non-living things cannot do. For suppose the book which you are holding, can it move from one place to other place without your permission or without the help of you? No. Then can it grow from a small book to a bigger one? No. Reproduction, can it produce a small baby book again? No. Need for food, can it eat food? No, it doesn't require food at all. Then sensing the changes. Can it sense the changes? No. It cannot feel whether it is hot or whether it is cold or it's itching. It cannot. Then taking breath. And your book cannot breathe at all. So these are the things where non-living things cannot do. Now, please open your classwork and write down the new words. I hope you all are ready with your classwork. First, take the index page and write down. I'll show you. In the index page, you have serial number, you have 3 columns like this: serial number, title and teacher's sign. Now here near serial number write down 1, and here the title you write down lesson number 1. Living and non-living things. Don't write completely in one line. If place is not there, you can come to the next line. After writing this, you can turn the page and write down today's date and day. Yes, write down today's date and day. Now on top of the margin, write down lesson number 1, living and non-living things. Then after that, in the first line, put Roman number 1, new words. Underline the lesson name and new words with red pencil. Yes, next. Now leave a line and write down number 1. The first one is characteristics. 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 Then now, again leave a line and write the second one. Locomotion. For each and every new word, you have to leave a line. The second one is locomotion. The next third one is reproduction. Third one is reproduction. And fourth one is resemble. Fourth one is resemble. Then fifth one is essential. Fifth one is essential. Sixth one is temperature. Sixth one is temperature. Then seventh one, sense organs. We have 5 sense organs, isn't it? So the seventh one is sense organs. Eighth one is conditions. Eighth one is conditions. The ninth one is breathing. It's breathing. And the last one is numerous. 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 Hope you all have written. Now after this, you write down Roman number 2 and mention it as meanings. And underline it with red pencil. Now after writing this, from page number 200, see here, this yellow colored box is there, no? So these are the meanings which you are going to write. So how many meanings are there? 5 are there. Write down that. From page number 200, you are going to write the new words. Now let's come to the exercise. Take a pencil and note it down in your textbook. Page number 201. So first bit is tick the correct answer in the space provided. Which of these are natural things? So which of these are the natural things? He has given 3 examples. See what are those. First one is fan, then cloud, and the third one is bridge. So out of this, which one is the natural one? It is B, cloud. So give a tick mark in the dash which he has given. Near B you have to give a tick mark. Then fishes breathe through. So how do fishes breathe? Skin, air holes, gills. Yes, it is gills. Option C. I am writing the option and the answer. Okay, you have to give a tick mark near it. Next, plants breathe through. So how do plants breathe through? Stomata, lungs, skin. It is A, stomata. Then the last one, which of these can feel? Watch, water, animals. So the answer is animals. Then next, match the following. Nobody should draw the lines, everybody should match it with the help of alphabets only, because later you will get confused if you don't draw the lines properly. Now, to one side he has given plants have reproduction, birds and fishes, eyes and nose are, then buildings are. Now to the other side they have given sense organs, non-living things, produce babies, living things and stomata. Now coming to the first one, plants have. So what do plants have out of this? It is E, stomata. So near the first one, write down E. In between you put the brackets and write down E. Then reproduction. What happens with reproduction? They are going to produce babies. That is option C. So first one is E second one is C. Then birds and fishes are they living things or non-living things? Yes, they are living things. So the option is D. Option D. Eyes and nose are sense organs. So option A. Then buildings they are non-living things. Option B. Now turn the page. Yes, fill in the blanks. Cockroaches breathe through. How do cockroaches breathe? They breathe through air holes. The next, most plants reproduce from. They reproduce from seeds. Computers and dolls are examples of dash. They are examples of non-living things. We need dash to breathe. We need air to breathe. Now here another set of fill in the blanks is there, and he has given options also to you. From that you have to choose whichever is the proper one. A baby plant grows into a dash. It grows into a tree. A frog breathes through dash underwater. It will breathe through its skin. A bird lays dash eggs. Living things need dash to live and grow. They need food. Living things move from one place to the other place by a process called, it is called as locomotion. So with this we have come to an end, and your homework is page number 203. You have to think and answer. Okay, in page number 203, this yellow colored box is there, no? Now read this paragraph of 3 lines, and here down 3 questions are there. You have to answer that 3 questions. Okay. So here I have mentioned page number 203. You have to think and answer. So read the complete paragraph and answer the 3 questions given below. Okay. Hope you all have done it well. Thank you.